Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to create a workspace in Smartsheet. By the end of this quick tutorial, you'll know how to set up an organized spot for your projects, making it easier to collaborate and keep everything in one place. Whether you're working solo or with a whole team, having a dedicated workspace can save you hours of time and a lot of stress. Alright, let's jump right in. First things first, start from the Smartsheet homepage. If this is your first time here, don't worry, it's super easy to find your way around. Look for the plus button, it usually sits prominently, waiting for you to add something new. Picture it as the launchpad for all your future work. Go ahead and click that plus button. Doing this is like opening a brand new canvas. Smartsheet is about to ask what kind of work you want to start. You'll likely see several options pop up: projects, folders, sheets, even dashboards. But our goal today is to create a workspace, so you'll want to select that specific option. Workspaces are powerful in Smartsheet. Think of them as digital folders, but so much smarter. They're designed to keep related sheets, reports, and dashboards together, making it easy to share them with your team all at once. It's a bit like having a digital command center where everything important is at your fingertips. Click on Workspace, and just like that, Smartsheet will prompt you to name it. Take a moment here and choose a name that truly reflects what you'll be working on. Maybe it's your team's name, your department, or a specific project. Giving it a clear, descriptive name up front will save confusion later, especially if you end up creating several workspaces down the road. Don't worry too much about making it perfect. You can always rename it if you need to. Once you confirm your workspace is officially created, you might notice the sidebar now includes your new workspace ready to go. From here, you can start adding sheets, folders, or dashboards directly into your workspace. This is where the magic really happens. Instead of having everything scattered everywhere, now you have a neat, organized hub for your work. Creating a workspace in Smartsheet might seem like a small first step, but trust me, it truly sets the foundation for scalable, efficient project management. If you're planning to collaborate with others, you'll love how easy it is to control permissions at the workspace level. Think of it like giving keys to your digital office. You choose who gets in and what they can do. That's all there is to it. In just a few clicks, you've set yourself up for better organization and smoother teamwork. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button. And if you have any questions about Smartsheet or want to see more tutorials like this, drop your thoughts in the comments below. I read every single one. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.